Welcome to the world of Bcompact, where innovative design meets unparalleled safety. Today we're exploring the safety features that set Bcompact stairs and ladders apart in the realm of space-saving solutions. Let's start with the handrail, a crucial element for stability and support. Bcompact's handrails are designed for safety without sacrificing style. Crafted from high-grade aluminum, these handrails offer a secure grip, facilitating safe and effortless navigation up and down the stairs. Next, the locks. Bcompact's locks are masterfully designed for dual functionality. When extended, they ensure the stairs or ladder are stable and level, providing secure access. When retracted, they enhance space optimization, keeping your area unobtrusive and open. This innovative locking system ensures safety and efficient use of space, seamlessly fitting into your lifestyle. Moving on to the safety gate. Bcompact integrates a safety gate at the top of the stairs, a feature that adds an extra layer of protection, especially for households with children or pets. This gate ensures that the top of the staircase is secured, preventing accidental falls. Lastly, the heart of Bcompact's safety promise, the extremely durable composite bamboo construction. This innovative material is not only environmentally friendly, but also exceptionally strong and resilient. It withstands heavy use and provides lasting stability, making Bcompact stairs and ladders a safe choice for any home or office. Safety, sustainability, and style. Bcompact brings it all together. Whether it's for your home, your office, or any space in between, trust Bcompact for safe, space-saving solutions that don't compromise on quality or design. To discover more about how Bcompact is redefining safety in space optimization, visit our website at bcompact.com.